wide that I'd love to have a crack at sitting on those eggs for a bit. But you look so comfortable up there. It would be a shame to disturb you.
And what about the extension you promised to build on the nest? It's going to be so cramped you when the little ones arrive. Especially with that big egg in the clutch. Goodness knows what size that chicky's going to be.
You know, I reckon it might be a turkey's egg.
Oh, drink.
I had the same problem with my ex.
Oh, here we go.
We had a whole pack of troubles with the young ones. I tell you, they were afraid of the water. She had me running up and down banking, shouting, "Burn Matthews!" And they still wouldn't go in.
Drink, how could a turkey's egg get to be in my nest? Must be your side of the family.
We'll just have to wait and see who he takes after, won't we, dear?
Yes, dear.
Anyway, must fly. I promised the rooster I'd help him count his chickens. Shall I see you back here later?
Well, where else do you suppose I'm going to be? Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
How's the mother to be? Well, she'd be better if the father was better at being the father who is. I sometimes wish I'd been paired with a decoy duck.
Well, I'm sure today can make a marvellous dad when the little ducklings arrive.
Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Ducking out of his responsibilities. I don't know. Oh, I say, if bumps are meant for sitting on eggs all day, then they should have been designed with whopping great dimples in them.
Oh, Ida, the very thought. How far did you have to go with that?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my antenatal classes, run by that self-satisfied storm. And she said about a fortnight, but 2 weeks is up.
Well, the best things come to those who wait, yeah?
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same.
Oh, but just think of the rewards. Oh, those lovely little ducklings.
All those big cities,
Waking you up at all hours.
getting into deep water,
Attracting unwanted admirers.
like the cat. Why do we put ourselves through it?
As a duck, when you're stuck, sad sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes the drake on the lake, I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Their little heads so soft and downy, their baby bods so golden browny, their beaks constantly open, waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little
Thanks. Speaking of Daddy, Maureen, would you be a dear to go and find Drake for me? He's probably making raids up the local